Hello, hubby. Hubby ng ex. Today, we celebrate the best decision we ever made. Ito na yon, kasal natin. I promise to be with you in the biggest and in the littlest things of your life.
Sinong mag-aakala na yung simpleng pag-reminisce ko sa old classmates ko would lead us to being here today? Naalala ko yung sinabi mo na ang ganda ng love story natin dahil sa mahabang post na yun.
Alam niyo po, the most wonderful thing in this world is to fall in love. Ano po? Magmahal. At nakita ko po doon sa love story ng dalawa ni Tim at Junel na talagang they are meant for each other. Ano po? Pinaghiwalay na, ano po, pagkatapos ng high school, ano? Aba, pinagtagpo ng Facebook. Ano po?
To my baby and hubby to be, I know you want this so bad, so here you go. More relay moments, more relaxed moments for you and for us. Ha ha. See you at the altar. I love you.
Thank you for being my positive side in times na puro negative na yung naiisip ko or nasa paligid ko. Alam mo naman yun. Palagi kong sinasabi na ikaw yung pahinga ko. Ikaw yung kalma ko. And I will always thank God for that kasi alam ko na ikaw yung ginawa niya na instrumento para hindi ako mag-worry masyado sa mga bagay-bagay.
My heart was missing without you. Then I looked in your eyes and the fog started drifting away.
Sila'y pinagtagpo pa rin dito sa loob po ng simbahan na ito at sasabihin nyo sa bawat isa na mahal, na mahal, na mahal kita at hindi lang yun. Junel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Timothy, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Oh! To my future wife, I hope you like my gift. Hindi ko ulit sinunod yung gusto mo na design. Pero maganda yan kasi ako pumili from XBF.
Since you crashed in my world and
Magkayang!
spent my life half asleep. Now I see you in every dream. So won't you lay here with me?
Mainit ang isa, wag sasalubungin. Bigayan lang. Pwede lang, okay.
I feel so.
Hindi mo nakagad ako ng aso, ha? Kalahati. Diba? Para masaya si Papa.
I believe in love again. Lord have mercy. till the dark turns to day. You and I, we will hold on to love. And if the world falls apart, we'll keep chasing the stars. You and I, we will hold on to love. Through the fire and into the darkness and rain. You and I, we will hold on to love. I feel so.
Sa mga susunod pa nating kabanata, I promise you that I'll always be by your side. Walang iwanan kahit magsawa ka pa sa akin.
Our love story is my favorite and will always be my favorite tale. And I promise to continue writing it with you, chapter by chapter, for all the days of our lives. I love you, my hubby.
I can't breathe.